Hey guys, this is like really quick video for you. The LibreWolf comparing to Firefox, like what are the main differences? So LibreWolf is a privacy-focused hardened version of Firefox. Strips out telemetry, ads, and trackers, and it's pre-configured with enhanced privacy settings such as disabling web RTC and including uBlock origin by default. So you can have, as you can see even right here, the uBlock is by default right there. Suitable for people if you value privacy and security, but you are okay with potential like trade-offs. Now, Firefox is what I like about Firefox. It's a good privacy features, but requires manual tweaking for optimal privacy. Sends some telemetry data to Mozilla, but allows users to opt out, and it's better suited for mainstream use and those who don't want stricter privacy. So now, because the LibreWolf is maybe like slightly slower due to the stricter settings, but faster for ad-heavy browsing. Firefox, on the other hand, is generally faster in default settings, but may be slower if telemetry is enabled. So with the Firefox, you're going to have more customization than what you can do with it. With LibreWolf, its pre-configured privacy settings can save effort for non-tech savvy users. So LibreWolf's strict privacy measures like deleting cookies on the page close can break some websites or make browsing less convenient. And the Firefox, on the other hand, offers the balance of stability, of usability and privacy, but may require manual hardening to match LibreWolf's privacy level. So LibreWolf pros: privacy first with no telemetry data collection, comes with a pre-configured with enhanced privacy settings, includes uBlock origin out of the box, ideal for privacy minimalists or enthusiasts. On the other hand, with the Mozilla, you have the pros of highly customizable and versatile, broad extension support, telemetry can be turned off, better for DRM contact, Spotify, Netflix, and general usability, and regular updates from Mozilla ensure consistent improvements. So I just want to make this like quick video for you. What are the differences between the Mozilla and LibreWolf? Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.